Alright, welcome to the second 3-in-1 build that I'm going to be doing. For this, I'm going to start out with the treasure chest, and then the painting, I guess that's what it's called, and then the lovely fish tank. So, yeah, as per the last one, I'm going to just build all of them, and I'll give my quick thoughts on each as we go. And, yeah. If you guys enjoy this content, I'm sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so click them as you please. I really actually like the stand, or whatever you actually call this. But yeah, and I think the painting is really cute, and you got plenty of pieces to make your own painting if you want. So I think that's really cool. So yeah, with that, let's get on to the fish tank. Alright, so this is actually really cute. I love this. I actually didn't think there were as many fish as there are. It's kind of deceiving when you see it, but yeah, I love this. This is great. I don't think this is a 3-in-1 where I want to go build the other ones and buy another 2 just to build the other ones, but yeah, 'tis a solid finishing build, and yeah, I'm really happy with all these little details in here. They look very nice. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Mr. HiYodaPanda